If you sell products online, you already know the feeling: the sales look great, the payouts hit, and then you wonder where the profit went. Fees stack up, shipping gets messy, refunds creep in, and suddenly your winning month isn't winning anymore. This Microsoft Access database is built to answer the questions you actually need answered fast. It comes with 15 reports that you can run by date range, channel, status, SKU, product name, supplier, brand, and category. No rebuilding. No "where did I put that spreadsheet?" Just run the report and act. Let me show you the 3 reports that usually pay for this on day 1. First, fees by channel. Pick a start date, end date, and the channel you want: Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever you use. The report groups everything by channel and totals up your FBA fees, shipping fees, other fees, total fees, gross revenue, and profit. It's the quickest way to spot the channel that looks busy but is bleeding margin. If you're doing multiple fulfillment methods, this becomes your truth source. Second, low stock. This is your stockout prevention report. Filter by category, brand, or SKU, and choose whether to show only items that need reorder attention. It ranks products by the gap between your reorder level and what you actually have in stock. Instead of finding out you're out of stock when orders get cancelled, you get a prioritized replenishment list you can work top to bottom. Third, Fulfill CH. This one is pure operational control. It totals sales quantities, net units, and then splits out fulfilled versus unfulfilled lines by channel. If unfulfilled lines are piling up, you'll see it immediately and you'll know where to focus before you get hit with cancellations and angry messages. When you want to dig deeper, line detail gives you the full line level story: order number, dates, channel, buyer, supplier, product, quantities, prices, fees, taxes, promos, refunds, fulfillment status, and net profit, all in one view. You can filter to only refunded lines or only unfulfilled lines so you can clean up issues quickly, then rerun the summary reports to confirm the fix worked. And if you're trying to decide what to scale, Profit Prod and Top Prod PRF rank products by total profit while also showing revenue, fees, and units. Pair that with Refund Chan to see which channels are driving refund volume, and Ord by Stat to see where orders are getting stuck by status. You can also review order detail for buyer and shipping fields, and Ord by Sup when you need a quick supplier performance snapshot and lead day reality check. Bottom line, this is not another spreadsheet template. It's a ready-to-run system that turns your sales and inventory data into clear actions, protect margin, prevent stockouts, and fix fulfillment problems early. If that's what you need, download it, load your data, and start with fees by Chan, low stock, and Fulfill CH. In under 10 minutes, you'll know exactly what to fix next and what to double down on.